Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we talk about growing wealth and building the life you want. Today's topic, how to achieve financial freedom by 40. Yes, you heard that right. By your 40s, you can say goodbye to money stress and hello to freedom. Let's dive into the proven steps to get there. First, what does financial freedom mean to you? Is it $1 million in savings? Enough passive income to cover your expenses? Calculate your freedom number, the amount you need to live comfortably without working a 9 to 5. You can't rely on just one paycheck. Start building passive income streams like rental properties, dividend stocks, or digital products. Even small streams add up over time and make you less dependent on a single income source. Debt is the enemy of financial freedom. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt like credit cards using the snowball or avalanche method. Every dollar of debt paid off brings you closer to independence. Invest early and often in stocks, ETFs, or index funds. Take advantage of compound interest. Even $200 a month invested consistently can grow into a six-figure portfolio by 40. Step 5. Live below your means. It's simple. Spend less than you earn. Cut unnecessary expenses and redirect that money toward investments. Lifestyle inflation kills freedom. Resist the urge to upgrade every time you get a raise. Financial freedom by 40 isn't a fantasy, it's a plan. Start today, stay consistent, and you'll get there. If this inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and drop your financial goals in the comments. See you next time.